Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I just thought I'd jump on, I know it's been a while, and just do a cute little Valentine's Day craft with Dollar Tree supplies. Now, my tree came from Dollar Tree, and then the little pearls, I know you can get them at Dollar Tree, but I did get mine at my Dollarama store here in town. And then I put a little rickrack around the bottom of my tree, and that I bought at my local fabric store. So that's just as simple as it gets. So follow along and I'll show you how you can make yours just like this too. Keep watching. So to make this cute little Valentine tree, just to dress it up a little bit, first of all, I found this at the Dollar Tree. It's just a little felt heart Valentine's tree in with the Valentine's decorations this year. Now, I've gone ahead and started on the back side, and what I'm using is, I know you can get these at the Dollar Tree as well, but at the time when I was looking, I couldn't find them, so I had to go to my Dollarama store here in Canada. So, but what I'm using is just the little pearl strips. And I'm just going around the little hearts, each little heart. And first of all, I'm going to cut this tag off here. Don't need that. So I've gone around, starting at the top, and I went all the way around the heart. And they're sticky on the back, so they'll stick down. And then I lift it up, and I try to get it up as close as I can in underneath there, and I started another little round of this. So now I'm just going to continue to go around, and I'm going to cover all of these little hearts, just the outside of these little heart shapes on this tree. And I think this is going to look pretty cute. And if you need to break them apart, they just break apart very easily to make your circle if you need to, but so far I haven't had a problem. And then press them down so that they stick. And there's that part. So I'm just going to start another one and connect it from there and go all the way around and up to the top, and I'll just carry on and I'll be back. So I have used 18 rows of the white pearls. So I've got the diamond ones left on that sheet. So I'm going to open up another package with the little pearl rows on here as well. And each row of these pearls, there's 14 in there. So just to show you how many it's taking me to get as far as I've gotten right now. Anyway, I think it's going to be really cute by the time I'm done. Just going to add a little touch to a Dollar Tree tree. So here we are so far, and I've got all the little pearls on, and I used 2 of the complete packages of the little pearls, plus 2.5 rows into my third package in order to complete all of the little the pearls all around each little heart. So now I have some rickrack with a little bit of white on the bottom, variegated throughout there. And I thought I'm going to go, maybe you can see that underneath here has just been painted red onto the styrofoam. So I thought if I went all around, just up in under here, all the way around, it'll just cover that up, and it'll also blend in with my little pearls, the idea of my little pearls with the red and white going on. So I'll go and hot glue that on, and then I'll be back. So I am just going around with a little dollop of glue all around just the very bottom with my brick rack. And I have my little hot glue protector here. If you need it, do use it because the glue is really hot. So we'll just go all the way around on the bottom very edge with the hot glue and the rickrack. And I think this is just gonna finish it off quite nicely. And I found this rickrack at my fabric store, so I'm sure that you would be able to find this rickrack at a fabric store where you are as well. So I'll just go ahead and complete that and I'll be back. So here's my little tree, and I think he turned out pretty cute. And it was just a simple, easy project for you to make, just to have an extra little decoration for your Valentine's Day. So if this is something that you'd like to try, I hope you will. So please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and always remember to be kind. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.